What do you think, Caden? Yeah, we got a good one. Still plenty of work to be done, but we are chipping away at it. Working this from every possible angle. So we got 2 sharp creases going this way, and it went through the body line. And we are chipping away at it. It hit really hard and it caused some paint damage. So you can see there's a couple of paint chips in there that we're working around, but we're making progress. It's coming along. There's our access right over there and right there. Let's see, it's covered up. So it's coming along pretty darn good. So it took just a few minutes, but the dent on the fender is gone.